And the Radcliffe Morgan and Mino, very vindictive.
Radcliffe Morgan. I like. Boom! Chano?
Yeah. Whosoever you think, I'm son.
That's why me I say me know the face from somewhere, you know. But I'm not him. I'm father. Jen, me tell you something. Should I youth you? Me I go want you to stay as far as possible from him. Give him a wide berth. Because it's a nasty piece of work.
Babe, you preach to the choir. I know everything about him. And if I don't regret nothing in my life, I regret knowing him.
So tell me something. When him name and him face did that splash all over America Most Wanted, now tell me that you are the female that with that dip on the run with him.
Yeah, babe. Me same one.
Come here. No. Overs fully. Why you want to bring this to me? Especially while me in this song. Because you know it would end well. Definitely would end well.
Yeah, babe, I know. See, that is why I did have to be more strategic, you know. Because if a female name did ever come up back with the law, my name would have come up too. And I want to tell you, say, him use it against me. Because that's the reason why I did have to make him stay in the house. Because him threatening me. So him have to expose me to the feds. Because if you remember, so the feds them I look for me same way.
Alright, babes. But you stop. No, I think me can cultivate an appetite. If you wouldn't mind warming up that dinner for me, I'd really appreciate it.
To be my pleasure.
I'll be right behind you.
Mm.
Radcliffe Morgan. Well, he's just one loose end that cannot remain unattended.
Morning, sir.
Morning. I have a little assignment for you.
Okay, what is that, sir?
Some Italian diplomat children are here.
Mm-hmm.
When I say children, is big people, but children.
Okay.
And they want to absorb some of the culture.
Okay.
I was thinking that they could learn some of the dances. That way we could keep them in an enclosed area and still allow them to enjoy themselves.
Okay.
So we're going to use one of the agency's secure facilities.
Okay.
You are to go in as the instructor,
Mm-hmm.
and Whisper and Tony can come as shadows. They can be backup dancers, demonstrating the moves, that type of thing.
Okay, sir.
But it is important that they don't come to any harm or feel any discomfort or anyone approaching them inappropriately.
All right.
So it's not a long situation, but it is important.
Understood, sir. Job will be done.
All right, I'll send you the details, and you carry from there.
Okay, sir. Before you go, Miranda.
Leave Miranda alone for the time being.
Sir, what you mean?
She is asking for time to solidify what she is getting. So we keep an eye on her, but leave her alone for the time.
Okay, sir.
I know it's not something you're happy with, but please just trust me on this one.
Okay, sir.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, Pops. Leave her alone. Whisper, you there?
Yes, boss.
Tonian?
Yes, Bubbles.
Alright. Morning time. Mr. Mullins gave me an assignment for you guys to shadow. It's going to be at the agency gym, right off Alliance Road. So dress gym attire.
Alright.
Copy that.
I'm going to send you the email with the details shortly.
Alright, boss. I'll see you there.
Alright.
Bubbles.
Alright. Have fun.